In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create progress circle and progress bar in Canva. Whether you're preparing a report, a social post, or a slide deck, progress visuals quickly communicate milestones and completion at a glance. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can recreate it in minutes. Start by looking to the left panel of your Canva editor and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, and all chart types. Clicking Elements opens a search bar and categories to help you find visuals fast. In the search field that appears, type the word chart. This filters the Elements panel to show chart options, including clean, ready-made progress visuals. Typing chart returns both linear and circular styles in one view. From the results, click on Progress Bar. Canva will drop a default progress graphic onto your canvas. You can drag it to reposition and pull the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions crisp. If you prefer a circular look, the chart search results also include progress circles. They use the same controls we're about to adjust. With the progress graphic selected, look to the settings panel and adjust the percentage slider. This value controls how much of the bar or ring is filled. Slide to the exact number you need, like 25, 50, or 92, to match your data. Precise percentages help your audience trust the visual, and you can tweak it anytime as your project advances. Next, fine-tune visibility and style using the line weight slider. Increasing line weight makes the bar thicker and bolder for small graphics or social posts. Decreasing it creates a slimmer, more minimal look that works well in dense dashboards or slide headers. On circular styles, line weight changes the ring thickness, which can subtly shift the emphasis of your design. Most progress elements also support color edits from the color chips above the canvas, so feel free to align the filled portion and the background track with your brand palette and contrast needs. For clarity, place the graphic near its label or percentage text and use Canva's alignment tools to keep everything tidy across pages. That's it. Elements, chart, progress bar, then tune percentage and line weight for bars or circles.